Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up HP NY6120E on your iPhone. I will show you how to print from any application on your smartphone, how to scan documents, how to use camera scan. So just let's get into it, I will show you everything. Let me assume that you have already prepared the printer to work. You have installed cartridges, loaded some paper in the paper tray, your printer is powered on, and the Wi-Fi indicator on your printer is blinking like this. If your Wi-Fi indicator is glowing, you may need to reset Wi-Fi settings before setup. To do this, on your printer's display, touch the menu icon and swipe up until you see Settings. Tap on Settings. Now tap on Network. And scroll all the way down until you see Restore Network Settings. Hit Restore. Confirm your action. Yes, it's restoring. Hit OK. Now your printer is 100% ready for connection. So stay in the network menu and tap on Wi-Fi. Next to Wi-Fi setup, you can see a Start button. Tap this button. Now it's searching for Wi-Fi routers. In this list, you need to find your network name. This is my network, my Wi-Fi. 2.4 GHz band has wider range and 5 GHz band has faster network speed. So my router is just on my table. Let me connect to the faster network. Tap Next. In this field, you need to enter your Wi-Fi password. So tap on that and you can see on-screen keyboard just like on Android devices. So use this keyboard to enter your password. You can tap on this eye icon to see what you type in and tap OK once you're done and submit. Now check your settings. Once again, you can show your password to check everything and tap OK. It's trying to connect to the network. Connection successful. It's getting an IP address. So now everything is ready. You can scroll down to see your network data. You can print report if you need, but actually you can just continue on your smartphone. To finish setup on iPhone, you need to get the HP Smart application from App Store. By the way, this application is developed for all operating systems, so you can use the same method for Android devices or even for computers. So get this application, open it. On this screen, accept the terms and conditions or decline optional data. Next, to use this application, to print and scan, to use this application features, they force you to sign into your HP account. But it's worth because the application is really smart and powerful. So let me sign into my account. If you don't have an HP account, just create one. It's very simple, just like create account somewhere on Facebook. And allow HP Smart would like to send you notifications. I don't want, but to find devices on local networks is necessary. So allow this. And now tap on Add your first printer. And before tapping on this tile, make sure your smartphone is connected to the same network as your printer. So open your Wi-Fi settings. I already see that my smartphone and my printer are connected to the same network, so I can close Wi-Fi settings and tap on Already Connected to Network. The printer is found instantly. Tap on its name and you can start using the application. Of course, you don't have to open this application each time you need to print a document, because sometimes you just need to print something from internet, and this feature allows you to print just only from your file system or allow access to photo library or from cloud services. But if you need, for example, print an email from email application, just open Gmail, select an email you wish to print, let's say this one, tap on three dots over here, tap on Print All, and select your printer in this drop down if it's not selected. Now adjust your settings and just print. But for this example, let's print exactly from the application. So let's go back to the home page, tap on Print Documents. You can ignore this window. I'm pretty sure that printer is online. Let's switch back to home. You can see this green check mark. It means the printer is online, so you can print documents. Tap on print, connect cloud service, or go to files. Select a file you wish to print. Tap on print preview and swipe up to change the print settings. Set your paper size, set number of copies you wish to make, set print quality, page range. Do you wish to print all pages or just some of them? Deselect the pages you don't want to print. Or use manual input. You can input page range or comma separated values. For example, just only page 1 and 3. Hit done. Then go back. Set color or grayscale printing and two-sided printing if you need. This printer can print on both sides automatically, so you don't have to turn page each time you wish to print on the second side. So use short edge if you wish to fold A4 to double A5, for example, and long edge if you need to two-sided A4, just like this. So let's go back. Now we can print. Tap on print and let the printer to do its job. And straight away pulling the paper back to print on the second side, so don't take the paper. Now, as you can see, you have automatic two-sided copy, and let's continue. You can print the document again or hit done and it takes you back to the home screen. Now let me show you how to scan. So scroll down and select printer scan. Let me skip this tutorial. I will show you everything in this video, so you don't need this guide. To scan documents, first you need to correctly place them in the scanning unit. You should do it like this. The side of the document you wish to scan must be put facing down, and the top left corner of your document must be aligned with the top left corner of the scanning surface. You have shaded corner here, so align the top left corner of your document with this shaded corner. Just glide like this. Make sure the edges of your paper sheet are aligned and fits snugly to the borders of the scanning surface. Also notice your paper size. There are paper size markers on the border. In my case, this is A4. So once you're done, close the lid. Next, in the application, adjust the scan settings. Tap on this drop down first and set the page size. Set A4 or letter or whatever size you use, or switch to entire scan area to adjust the borders later, or to scan few small documents on one page. Then go back, set the print quality like this. Switch between color and grayscale modes. Let's scan color mode. Tap done once you're done. Also, you can tap on this gear icon and enable auto enhancements of brightness and contrast of your images, and just in case, enable auto orientation in the case if you put the document upside down. Hit done. Then in this toolbar, select what you're scanning, photo or document or batch of photos and documents. And here you can select the source. I will show you this feature later. Now just let's scan. Once you've got the result, you can adjust the edges of the document. Just drag these borders or drag corners, or tap on auto detect, but it works not so good so far. So you can also tap on full to capture the full scan area and adjust the borders manually after this. Then hit next. In this menu, you can edit your scan. To edit, you need to tap on these three dots. Also, you can replace or delete this page. Tap on edit. And here you can crop your image, adjust brightness, contrast, colors, and so on. Apply filters, add text, mark up your document, enable auto enhancement. Once you're done, save your changes by tapping done, or you can cancel, by the way. You can rotate your page. Tap on rotate, select a page, and hit rotate over here. The page is rotating. Save your changes. And you can add more pages to these documents. You can scan a book or scan multiple page agreement and so on. Let's Add pages, and now about source. You can scan the second document from the flatbed or switch to camera. You can switch to camera and allow access to the camera and convert your photos into scans. Let's skip the tutorial. I will show you how it works. Simply take a picture of your document and it takes you to the same menu as when scanning from flatbed. So you need to detect edges, hit next. You have the same edit menu over here. Also now you have new button. You can reorder your documents. Just tap and drag to reorder, tap on done, and you can add more pages. You can enable auto scan and scan a batch of documents and photos in a minute, just like this. It's detecting the edges automatically and scans. Now you can replace the page and scan the next one. Like this. So once you're done, disable the auto mode. Just tap on this button once again and tap on this thumbnail to edit the whole document. In this way, you can add to the document as many pages as you need. You can combine flatbed and camera scans. You can combine color and grayscale pages, different paper sizes, different printing qualities, photos and documents. And once you're done, you can print this document right away, share this document or save to your file system, use printing shortcuts, send mobile fax. Let's save this document. For this example, tap on this button. Rename your document if you need, hit return, then select file type. Remember that PDF only supports multiple page document. Also you can save your document as many images. So let's save as PDF, select file size, actual or compress the file a little bit, small compression to reduce the size. Now hit continue. And you have standard iPhone window. You can save your to files, copy, add quick note, tags, edit actions. This is normal iPhone menu. Just let's save to files. Select your file location. Let it be in documents because this is a document. And tap on save. Then you can find your file in your files application as always on iPhone. Also, there is a copy feature in this application which works same as a camera scan, but with this difference that your document will be printed right away, or in other words, copied. So you can take a picture of your document or switch to auto mode, scan your documents automatically. Now scan the second page if you need. And once you're done, disable auto, switch back to manual and tap on this thumbnail at the top. You can resize your document, original size, fit to page or fill page, set number of copies you wish to make, up to 99 as you can see, and start black or start color just like in the printer's menu, and your document will be copied. Well, I have shown you how to connect your iPhone to this printer and the basics of usage. I think you will find out which features of this application are best for your needs. Tap on your printer style to enter the printer's settings from the application. And that's pretty it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.